Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Neon series case for Moto G Stylus. It's a 5G 2023 model, and then you can see a dual layer tough rugged shockproof and protective drop protection cell phone cover for Motorola Moto G Stylus. So as you can see, it's really nice with a silicone thing inside and a hard case outside. So this is a double dual protection. So this will only fit the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023, and this is my phone. Just put it on the top first, the silicone one, and you can see it fits really well from the back, and then just put this hard shell on top of it. So this one is a shockproof structure, and the raised bezels for the camera and the screen protector, and the port the stylus can easily came out. So this is pretty cool, and then other cases fits really well from the side button. Everything fits well, no issues with that.